Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of gaming monitors, specifically the three top contenders in the 2024 market: the AOC Q27G3XMN, the ASUS ROG Swift PG27AQN, and the LG 27GP850. These three monitors represent the pinnacle of gaming display technology, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. So which one should you choose? In this video, we'll break down the key features, performance, and pricing of each monitor, helping you make an informed decision. We'll discuss their strengths and weaknesses, compare their image quality, refresh rates, response times, and HDR capabilities. But wait, don't make a decision just yet. Watch the entire video to find out which monitor reigns supreme. I'll reveal the overall winner at the end. To help you make an informed purchase, I've included links to these monitors in the description box below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and gaming tips. Let's get started. The AOC Q27G3XMN is a standout choice for gamers seeking an immersive HDR experience without breaking the bank. This mini LED gaming monitor offers a compelling blend of features and performance that sets it apart from the competition. At its core, it boasts a VA panel with a high 4000:1 static contrast ratio, ensuring deep blacks and vibrant colors. The quantum dot enhanced backlight further amplifies the color palette, delivering a wide color gamut that covers 96% of the DCI-P3 and 90% of the Adobe RGB color spaces. This means you'll enjoy lifelike visuals with rich, accurate colors, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or editing photos. One of the most impressive features of this monitor is its 336-zone mini LED falled backlight. This advanced technology allows for precise control of the backlight, enabling deep blacks and bright highlights to coexist seamlessly. While blooming, a common side effect of FL technology, can still be noticeable in certain scenes, its high native contrast ratio helps to mitigate this issue. The monitor's 165Hz refresh rate, overclockable to 180Hz, ensures smooth and responsive gameplay. The fast VA panel, with its 1 millisecond GTG response time, further minimizes motion blur, making it suitable for even the most demanding games. FreeSync Premium Pro support ensures tear-free gaming, while the 1440p resolution provides a great balance between performance and visual clarity. Its ergonomic stand offers a wide range of adjustments, allowing you to find the perfect viewing position. The low-haze matte anti-glare coating reduces reflections, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience. While the monitor's OSD navigation can be a bit clunky, the AOC G menu software provides a more intuitive way to adjust settings. The software offers a variety of features, including picture presets, shadow boost, game color, and a crosshair overlay. In conclusion, it's an excellent choice for gamers who prioritize HDR performance and immersive visuals. Its combination of high contrast ratio, wide color gamut, and advanced FOLD technology delivers stunning picture quality. While it may not be perfect, it offers exceptional value for the price and is a strong contender in the mid-range gaming monitor market. The ASUS ROG Swift PG27AQN is a gaming monitor that redefines the standards of performance and visual quality. Its 360Hz refresh rate, coupled with a 1440p resolution, creates a seamless and immersive gaming experience. The IPS panel technology ensures vibrant colors, wide viewing angles, and accurate color reproduction, making it suitable not only for gaming, but also for professional tasks like photo and video editing. One of the key highlights of this monitor is its exceptional motion clarity. The ultra-fast IPS panel technology, combined with NVIDIA's G-Sync Ultimate, eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, resulting in smooth and responsive gameplay. The high refresh rate allows for incredibly fast response times, making it ideal for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. While the PG27AQN excels in performance, its HDR capabilities are somewhat limited. The 32-zone local dimming system, while improving contrast and detail in dark scenes, may not match the performance of higher-end HDR monitors. However, for most users, the HDR experience is still a significant improvement over standard SDR. The ergonomic design of the monitor is another strong point. The adjustable stand allows for optimal viewing angles, reducing eye strain during extended gaming sessions. The matte anti-glare coating further enhances the viewing experience by minimizing reflections. In addition to its core features, it offers a range of advanced gaming features. NVIDIA Reflex Latency Analyzer allows you to measure input latency, ensuring optimal responsiveness. The monitor also includes various picture presets, customizable crosshairs, and other gaming-centric settings. While it is undoubtedly a top-tier gaming monitor, it's important to consider its pricing and potential drawbacks. It's a premium product that demands a significant investment. Additionally, some users may find the IPS glow, a common characteristic of IPS panels, to be noticeable in dark environments. Overall, it's a compelling choice for serious gamers who prioritize performance and visual quality. Its exceptional refresh rate, smooth motion handling, and vibrant colors make it a standout product in the market. The LG 27GP850 is a high-performance gaming monitor designed to deliver an immersive and responsive gaming experience. Its 180Hz refresh rate, coupled with a fast response time, ensures smooth, tear-free gameplay, even in the most demanding titles. The IPS panel technology provides wide viewing angles and accurate color reproduction, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from gaming and content creation to general productivity. One of the standout features of the 27GP850 is its wide color gamut. The Nano IPS panel covers 98% of the DCI-P3 color space, resulting in vibrant and lifelike colors. While this can sometimes lead to oversaturation, the monitor's sRGB mode allows you to switch to a more accurate color profile for content that is designed for standard sRGB. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor the display to your specific needs and preferences. The monitor's ergonomic stand offers a wide range of adjustments, including height, tilt, and pivot, allowing you to find the optimal viewing position. The matte anti-glare coating reduces reflections, making it easier to use in various lighting conditions. In addition to its core features, it offers several advanced gaming features. The motion blur reduction technology further enhances motion clarity, reducing perceived motion blur and improving overall image quality. The monitor also supports NVIDIA G-Sync compatible technology, ensuring smooth frame rates and eliminating screen tearing. This technology works seamlessly with compatible NVIDIA graphics cards, providing a stutter-free gaming experience. While it's a strong performer, it's important to note that its HDR capabilities are limited. The lack of local dimming and lower peak brightness limit the HDR experience. Additionally, IPS glow, a common characteristic of IPS panels, may be noticeable in dark environments. Overall, it's a well-rounded gaming monitor that offers excellent performance, vibrant colors, and a range of useful features. It's a great choice for gamers who prioritize high refresh rates, low input lag, and accurate color reproduction. However, potential buyers should be aware of its limitations, such as its HDR performance and potential for IPS glow. When choosing between these monitors in 2024, your decision ultimately depends on priorities. The AOC Q27G3XMN is a standout for HDR enthusiasts with its deep contrast and vibrant visuals at a reasonable price. The ASUS ROG Swift PG27AQN shines for competitive gamers, offering unparalleled performance with a 360Hz refresh rate and top-tier motion clarity. Meanwhile, the LG 27GP850 balances affordability, vibrant colors, and high refresh rates, making it a versatile option for casual and serious gamers alike. The ASUS ROG Swift PG27AQN takes the crown for its unmatched performance and premium build, making it the ultimate choice for competitive gamers who demand the best. However, for HDR gaming, consider the AOC Q27G3XMN, and for a well-rounded option, the LG 27GP850 is excellent value.